3 mistakes which I made when I first started learning skills, be it football or any other skill that I tried to learn in my life. Doing these mistakes will actually make you lose a lot of time. These mistakes are really the shortcut to becoming a loser. So promise me that the moment you watch this video, you'll stop doing these mistakes. Mistake number 1, saying I can't do this. Now, I have made this mistake and I've seen people doing this mistake, that they continuously say this phrase, I can't do this, I can't do that. Now what this does is that this will make you procrastinate the skill, and even if you're making effort to learn that skill, you will make a very sloppy effort. Now this advice essentially would sound motivational. This is so obvious that you shouldn't be saying I can't do this, but I don't mean that you should be saying I can do this. The solution to this is stop saying things and actually do what you want to do, or learn or perform the skill that you want to learn, right? You all have met that one friend, or even worse, have been that one person that says that I'll do this, I'll do that, keeps on building castles in the air and in the end does nothing. You all have been in those WhatsApp communities where everyone is just motivating each other and doing nothing. Mostly this happens in MLM groups, but you get it what I'm saying, right? You need to understand this one thing, that planning is dopamine for your brain. Work is actually painful. So most of the people plan things out, plan their workout, plan their diet, but are never able to keep up with it. So this is the biggest mistake. Solution is to plan for that day and execute it, right? Unless it's a long-term plan, but in general, for proper execution, you take one day at a time. Mistake number 3, being Mr. Perfect. Now this is the biggest mistake of my life, and I'm sure every one of you has done that mistake, or some point in your life you will do this mistake. Now what's this mistake? So when you want to learn new skill, or when you want to try out something new, the very first day you would look stupid in front of people. Hell, you would look stupid in your own eyes, and that's a very painful sight which everyone wants to avoid. And then people end up not trying things, not learning new things, and being in their comfort zone basically. So what's the solution? Yes, I believe that there is a proper way to do everything. There is a proper way to learn things. That's what I talk about in this channel. But you have to accept the fact that any new thing that you do, any new skill that you learn, the very first day you will look stupid. So in case you happen to like me and my content, the left video is for discipline and the video on the right is for learning new skills. So click on the video that you want and continue watching me. Thank you so much.